How to create a temporary chat in ChatGPT. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll guide you how you can create a temporary chat or an incognito chat in your ChatGPT. So for that, the first thing that you will need to do is open any web browser or the chatgpt.com application. Now once you're inside the chatgpt.com application, you will need to start a new chat, which you can simply start by default. And once you are in the new chat, you can see this icon right here over the top right corner. So if you will hover onto this, it says turn on temporary chat. Simply click onto this and you can see that the temporary chat has been successfully started. This means that this chat won't appear in your chat history and won't be used to train our models. Also, the information in this particular chat is isolated from rest of the chats. So if you have your memories enabled, it will not be able to fetch from the memory, or any of the memories will not be fetched from this particular chat. And also at the bottom you can see this line which says for safety we may keep a copy of this chat for up to 30 days. So this is one of the things that you will need to take care of, especially if you are working in using any organizational or teams account. So that was all about enabling temporary or incognito chat in ChatGPT. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.